Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be giving a review on the Skeenpoint Ceramide toner, and this is what it looks like. So this is the Skeenpoint Skin Barrier Repair Ceramide Serum. I'm going to be giving my honest review on this. You need a ceramide serum in your routine. This is not the first time I'm saying this on my channel. You need a ceramide serum in your routine. This is very affordable. To begin with, this is very affordable. For the results you would get from this is very affordable. This retails for 6,000 naira. Okay, this is a very good one from Skeenpoint. I recently added this to my routine, and when I tell you guys that it really transformed my routine. This came in and it just helped every other product I was using. I noticed a visible difference in my face. If you've been watching 3 of my videos that I did with this particular hairstyle, you will notice that there's a way my face is looking. My face is looking more smoother, more healthy, more plump. Ever since I added this to my routine, this actually transformed my face. Okay, so this helps other products I am using to work. This is helping them to work effectively. My face is brightening more, my fine lines are not showing, my pores are not showing. This is a go-to. Like, get your hands on this Skeenpoint. This is very effective. Like, this is not a waste of your money. If you buy this, you must see a result. Yeah, you're going to notice a result. Like, ceramide will not brighten you up. So if you're using this and you're not using any brightening product, please do not expect a brightening from it. Okay, so if you're using this, you should also be using your brightening products, but this is going to help your brightening product to work better. Okay, so this is going to strengthen your skin barrier. So what are the benefits of ceramide? Ceramide is going to help to lock in moisture. Okay, so and when your skin has enough moisture, your skin looks hydrated, looks plump, like healthy and plump looking face. Okay, so it helps strengthen your skin barrier. If you are suffering from damaged skin barrier due to maybe harsh products you use on your face or environmental factors that has stressed your face, when you add ceramide serum, it's going to strengthen your barrier. It's going to help reduce your skin sensitivity and irritation. When you start using ceramide toner, you won't be having hotting face, burning sensation, redness, irritation. When you start using ceramide is going to strengthen your skin barrier so that you won't be prone to sensitivity of products on your face. Okay, so ceramide is going to help moisturize your face. It locks in moisture very well, and your face needs to have moisture so it doesn't feel dry. Ceramide serum is going to help fight against environmental factors that is going to stress your face, give you aging signs, give you wrinkles. Okay, so when you start using ceramide serum, all these things are going to be reduced. Your skin is going to be looking flawless, hydrated, well moisturized, strengthened barrier, no orishishi things on your face. Okay, you can use this both morning and at night. You can use this anytime. This is not an active. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. With a strengthened skin barrier, your face is going to look better. Sometimes you're not having fungal acne, you're not having orishishi, you're just that your skin barrier has been compromised, and this is like the first step closer to strengthening your skin barrier so that you stop having those things that are happening on your face. Okay, so this is going to hydrate your face, going to suit your face and fight against those irritations, redness. If you're someone that is prone to redness, whatever you apply on your face will hurt you. This is going to help you relieve that irritation and sensitivity you're getting on your face. So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, I've been using this here. This is what it looks like. So the content is not a transparent, liquid. It is a, look at the color. Can you guys see the color? The color is like a milky. It's giving milky white. It's giving milky white. It's not a transparent white. It's giving milky white. It is lightweight. Yeah, once you apply it, you can just easily spread it all over your face. It is lightweight. It is non-greasy. It is does it have fragrance? I think they say it has fragrance in the ingredients, but it doesn't have a it does have a scent, but it's not strong. Yes, because I've not really taken cognizance of it because it's not strong. As if it was strong, I would have like, it has a scent, but it's not strong. Like as I'm applying it, I'm not perceiving anything. So if you're someone that you don't like perceiving things when you're applying on your face, this is very mild. Like I didn't even know it had a scent. Yeah, so on the body they said it hydrates the skin, maintains skin barrier, promotes the skin regeneration, and suits your skin. Okay, so it contains the ingredients. I think it contains like 3 ceramides. So when we go to the ingredients list, it contains ceramide NP, it contains ceramide AP, it contains ceramide EOP, it contains Centella asiatica leaf extracts, it contains panthenol, it contains pentylene glycol, it contains sodium hyaluronate, it contains dimethicone. So guys, this literally contains ingredients that are just going to lock in moisture, hydrate your face, help your face to heal. If you have a damaged skin barrier, this is going to help your face to heal. The fact that it contains sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, Centella asiatica, ceramide, like lots of ceramide here. And guys, the ingredient list is very, very nice, and it doesn't irritate the skin, rather it would prevent your face from getting irritated. So this is a go-to, guys. I'm seriously, I go live for you. This is a go-to, like I kid you not. So this has really, really helped my face. As I'm talking to you now, I'm looking to go back and get another product, another container. Yes, I'm looking to go and get another container. I'm someone that I don't stick to, I hardly find myself sticking to one particular brand. Yeah, I hardly find myself, I like trying out new things. But you see, for this one, because of the result I got from this, I want to get another bottle. This has not finished, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get it and now just make sure you're getting the original one. Okay, so I told you guys the texture is not a runny, it's not runny, the texture. So know the difference. Don't go and get a fake one. Skeenpoint now is actually being on point. Skeenpoint is being on point because I'm using their azelaic acid, and when I tell you the azelaic acid is effective, I love it so much. Now this ceramide, I'm coming to the conclusion that they know what they are doing. This brand, they know what they are doing. They know how to give you what you need, what your skin needs. Okay guys, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button now, like this video, drop your comment, and make sure you get this. Okay, if you're watching this video to know if you should get this is a 10/10 for me in terms of ceramide. Okay, like I said, this is not going to brighten you up, but this is going to help your face to look brightened. It's going to help your face to look beautiful, better, more radiating, more smooth. So guys, if you add this to your routine, your pores are not going to be very visible anymore. So guys, that's just what I want to add. This product is a very good one, very, very good one. I'm not just hyping it, this is a very good one. Okay guys, so yeah, that is it for a ceramide. And always know that you always need a ceramide in your routine. Your routine is not complete if you don't have ceramide. You can't be having antioxidants, retinol without having ceramide and hyaluronic. Like this, these are the essentials in your routine. You can't have a car and you're not putting oil. Nah, you have to put oil, right? Yeah, you have to put oil. Yeah, so you see ceramide, you see hyaluronic acid, like the oil you need, you should always have them. Okay guys, so yeah, at this juncture, I'll come to the end of this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.